Good morning, student. Let us start new chapter, straight line. In that chapter, let us see first locus. A set of points in a plane which satisfy certain geometrical condition or conditions is called as locus. The definition of locus is a set of points in a plane which satisfy certain geometrical conditions or conditions is called as locus. Example for 1. Circle is a locus of point. How? A circle is a locus of point which is equidistant from a fixed point, and the fixed point is called as center, and the fixed distance is called as radius. This is a locus of point which are equidistant from the point O, that is center of a circle, and these are the points which are equidistant from the point O, and this distance is equal to r, radius. Point O is the center and distance OP is equal to r, that is radius of circle. Another example of locus is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Let this is segment AB. Now bisect this segment. You will observe that distance PA and distance PB are equal in length. Therefore, all the points which lie on this perpendicular bisector are equidistant from point A and B. Here, PA is equal to PB. This is the locus of point, isn't it? Third example, the bisector of angle AOB. The bisector of angle AOB. Let this is the angle AOB and this is a bisector. These two angles are equal. Therefore, all the points on this ray are equidistant from point A and B, or form the arms of the angle. That is, here angle POA and angle POB are equal. These all are examples of locus. Now let us see equation of locus. If P be any point on the locus, then the algebraic relation between the coordinate x and y satisfy given geometrical condition or conditions is called as equation of locus. In this way we can define equation of locus, but we can learn the what is meant by equation of locus by using the example more conveniently, isn't it? So let us see the problem based on locus, equation of locus. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. If A 1 3 and B 2 1 are points, find the equation of locus of point P such that PA is equal to PB. Isn't it? So let us solve this problem. Given. While solving this problem, first consider let P xy be any point on the locus. Start the solution every time by this sentence, isn't it? Given coordinate of point A is equal to 1 3, coordinate of point B is equal to 2 1, and distance PA is equal to PB. This is given. We know distance formula. We know that if Q is equal to x1 y1 and R is equal to x2 y2 be 2 points, then distance QR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. In this way we can find distance. Similarly, here coordinate of point P is xy and coordinate of point A is 1 3. Therefore distance PA is equal to PB. So distance PA is equal to x minus 1 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to, now distance PB, x minus 2 square plus y minus 1 square. On squaring we get x minus 1 square plus y minus 3 square is equal to x minus 2 square plus y minus 1 square, isn't it? Now do the square. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. That is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 5, isn't it? Which is equal to, now x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled. Now transfer this to the left side. You will get 4x minus 2x plus 2y minus 6y plus 10 minus 5 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the locus of point P such that PA is equal to PB. In this way we can solve this problem, isn't it? Let us see example number 5. A 2 4 and B 5 8. Find the equation of locus of point P such that PA square minus PB square is equal to 13. Solution. Let P x y be any point on the locus. Given A is equal to 2, 4 and B is equal to 5, 8. Also, PA square minus PB square is equal to 13. Now, PA square means square root of x minus 2 square plus y minus 4 square minus PB square means square root of x minus 5 square plus y minus 8 square is equal to 13. Therefore, here square root and square will vanish. We have x minus 2 square plus this square root and square get cancelled. Square root and square get cancelled. We have x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square minus x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 13. Now do the square. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 minus in bracket x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 13. Now solve this bracket. X square minus 4x plus y square minus 8y 4 plus 16 that is equal to plus 20 minus x square plus 10x minus y square plus 16y minus 25 minus 64 is equal to 13. Now x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled. Now first we will write 10x minus 4x then plus 16y minus 8y plus 20 minus 64 plus 25 minus 25 minus 64 that is equal to minus 89 is equal to 13, isn't it? Therefore here we have 6x plus 8y minus 69 minus 13 is equal to 0. That is 6x plus 8y minus 82 is equal to 0. dividing by 2, we get 3x plus 4y minus 41 is equal to 0. Is the required equation of the locus. In this way we can solve the sums on locus, isn't it?